need to send money to someone but not sure how, whether you're paying a friend, family member, or business, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process how to transfer money to someone else's bank account safely and easily. First, go ahead and open your online banking application. Head over into the Send or Receive Money tab. In this section, you'll be able to find your selection of transactions for sending money. So you can go ahead and send money to another bank of the same bank by clicking on that another account. This will allow you to send money to another account who has the same bank application as yours. So in here, you can go ahead and enter their account number and account name, send money to them, or use their account registered mobile number or email to send their money to their bank accounts. Now, after you actually enter that information, you can proceed to the next step of entering the amount of money that you want to send to that user. Another way to send money to another account is through sending money through Aeon account. And here you need to enter their Aeon account number and enter their mobile number to notify them of this transaction. You can also transfer money to other banks or e-wallet. So select service that you want to use from here, and after that you just need to proceed to the next step where you'll need to select the bank account or e-wallet whom you want to send the money to. You need to enter their account number and name, or their mobile number and name, or their email registered to the account. You can also send money to remittance centers or internationally using your banking app. So this would vary depending on the banking app that you are using. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer money easily and safely. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.